My name is Melle van der Molen. I'm working with Go&Grow Farm Solutions. I'm a technical manager for Go&Grow, a company that believes in local presence and global expertise working in Africa. We keep good connections on the side of parts and of after-sales to supply our customers with the right support for the machines. We connect that with expertise that we get from the factories where we supply the machines from. We've got people on the ground in the different countries where we work in.
My name is Marlon Masiriva. I'm with Go&Grow with the Aftersales. I've been in the industry for 28 years. I'm taking care of all the product support. Primarily, I'm with the farmers all the time. In the event of unforeseen circumstances, when equipment is down, that's why I'm called to duty. It's just a phone call, I'm there at your service. It's very crucial that the machines are running 100% and we're there to deliver your spares and make sure the equipment is back on the road. I just want to make sure that all Go&Grow customers are happy and they're enjoying the service that we provide.